Hey, I'm Frida with WTI. I have right here something that's going to make your life a lot easier if you have pets. So this is by Sunny and Honey, and it's called Carpet Miracle. And let me tell you that it actually is. So this is specifically to remove stains and deodorize. So the scent is called Spring Mint. This has been my favorite one. I'm really sensitive when it comes to artificial scents. Not getting that from this. It's just a very fresh. It just reminds me of right after it rained, that fresh smell that you get outside. That's what this smells like. The deodorizing aspect of it is perfect. My dog loves to come in and roll on my carpets, especially when he's gotten wet outside. And that wet dog smell, I mean, it's just not something that you can remove very easily. So I just have this little Bissell spot cleaner, and this worked perfect in it. You just put a little bit of solution in with your big tank of water, and I was able to spot clean throughout my entire house. I mean, look at the difference it made on my daughter's carpet, just random things that have spilled on it. So you can use this in any sort of water-based cleaning machine. So I like to just put it on there, spray it on with my Bissell, let it set for just a minute, give it a little bit of a scrub, and you can see how well it's kind of foaming up on the top of the carpet, and then just vacuum it away. I was very surprised how quickly it worked, especially on these spots that I didn't leave it set very long. You don't have to dilute this. If it's a really, really tough spot, you can just put this directly on the spot without diluting it. I love that I can use this and not worry about my pets getting on the carpet right away. You will be very happy to always have something on hand that not only smells good, helps deodorize, it doesn't just cover up scents, and it's going to keep your carpets nice and clean. And that's my point of view.